In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your delivery addresses on Shein. Whether you need to add a new address or update an existing one, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you're all set up for a smooth shopping experience. To start, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to the Shein website. If you're not there already, simply type Shein into your search engine and click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the Sign In option, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the page, and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on the profile icon or your name, usually displayed at the top of the page. This will take you to your account dashboard, where you can manage various aspects of your Shein account. Today, we'll be focusing on your delivery address. So, within your account dashboard, you'll want to look for the section labeled My Account. In the My Account section, you'll find the option labeled Address Book. Click on this to access your current saved addresses, if any. Here, you'll be able to see all the addresses you've used before. It's important to keep this information up to date to prevent any delays or issues with your orders. If you already have an address listed and you need to update it, simply click on the Edit button next to the address you wish to change. This will allow you to update any details, such as apartment numbers, street names, or zip codes. Carefully review the information to ensure everything is accurate, as any errors can lead to shipping mishaps. Now, if you're looking to add a new address, you'll want to click on the Add New Address button. When you do this, a form will appear where you can fill out various fields. This will usually include your name, street address, city, state or region, and postal code. Double-check the spelling and numbers to avoid any delivery issues. It's also worth mentioning that if you're frequently ordering while traveling or sending gifts to friends, having multiple addresses in your account can be very handy. Once you've entered or updated your address, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button. Doing so will ensure your new or revised information is stored and ready to use for future orders. And there you have it, a seamless process to manage your delivery addresses on Shein. By keeping your address book updated, you ensure that your orders reach you quickly and without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your online shopping experience more efficient and stress-free. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides just like this one.